Hi! In front of me is MEIZU M8 and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock on this device. Firstly, go into settings. Now you need to scroll down and choose fingerprint, face and security. Then click on face recognition and enter your current login method. Now you need to choose start and roll. And tap on done. Then when I turn off my screen, now turn it back on. I guess that face unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!